we go over a practice question, partial fractions. So I want to decompose 9x divided by 2x plus 1 squared 1 minus x into partial fractions. So 9x over 2x plus 1 squared, then 1 minus x is equal to, so what I'll do is I'll get these factors and write them in the denominator. Well, we can see this one, that is one factor, but that one, because it's a repeated linear factor, you can break it into 2x plus 1 and also 2x plus 1 squared. Okay, that's the meaning when you've got something that is squared in the denominator like that. And then we also have 1 minus x. So because all these are linear factors, just that is repeated, that's why I've written it 2 times, because of this squared repeated linear factor. We're going to put a on top, b there, and then c there. I'm going to merge these. That will be 9x divided by 2x plus 1 squared 1 minus x is equal to, I'll set a common factor where all of these can go into without a remainder. So that is going to be 2x plus 1 squared and then 1 minus x. So this here, 2x plus 1 is going to remain, and even this one is going to remain, and then what remains multiplied by the a. So that will give us a 2x plus 1 minus x. Then this one into here, we're going to have this as a remainder. So that is going to give us b 1 minus x. And then this one here, we're going to have this to remain. So we're going to have c 2x plus 1 squared. So at this point we can see the denominators are the same, so even the numerators are going to be the same. Means 9x should be equal to a, I can multiply 2x by 1, that's going to be 2x by negative x, it is negative 2x squared, 1 by 1 by negative x, and then we've got plus b times 1, that is b times x, that will be negative bx, and then plus c, we expand to x plus 1, just get the first one, square it, that is going to be 4x squared, and then multiply 2 by 2x by 1, that is going to be 4x, and then plus, get 1, you square it to just be 1, and so this is going to be 9x is equal to 2x minus x is just an x, so we multiply that x by this a, that is going to give us ax, and then a by that negative 2 ax squared, then a by that positive a, then plus b minus bx plus c by that 4cx squared, c by that 4cx, then c by that will just be a c. So at this point now, you can go on and say this is 9x is equal to, I'll put like terms together, starting with those which have got a square. So this one and this one. So I'll start with this because it's positive, so I'll write 4c and then minus 2a, then the x squared, I can write it there, then plus we go to those which don't have any square, but they've got x. We've got this one, and this one. So we've got a minus b, then plus 4c x, and then we go to constants. We've got a, b, and c. So that is plus a plus b plus c. Okay, so we're going to equate this to what is this side, but we don't have anything in x squared, so 4c minus 2a is going to be equated to 0. I can take 2a this side. That means 2a is going to be equal to 4c. So divide by 2, a is going to be equal to 2c. And then go to this one, a minus b plus 4c is going to be equated to the number in front of x is 9, so that is going to be equal to a 9. So where there is a, I'm going to put 2c from here. So that will be 2c minus b plus 4c is equal to 9. So 2c plus 4c, that is 6c minus b is equal to 9. Then we go to the last one here, a plus b plus c is equal to, we don't have any constant this side, so that is going to be equal to a 0. So where there is a, we are going to put 2c plus, here I could have as well made b the subject the formula by saying take b this side, take 9 this side. So b is going to be equal to 6c minus 9. So where there is b, I'm going to put 6c minus 9, and then plus that c, that should be equal to a 0. So here we've got 2c plus c plus c, 2c plus 6c plus c. So 2c plus 6, that is 8c plus c, that is 9c. So we've got 9c minus 9 is equal to 0. Taking 9 the other side, 9c is going to be equal to 9. So c is going to be equal to a 1. So now that we know the value for c, we can determine the value for b and for a. We know that for a is equal to 2c, and so that is going to be 2 times 1, which is equal to a 2. Okay, so we are saying a is equal to 2, and then b is 6, where there is c we put 1, then minus 9, so it's 6 minus 9, which is a negative 3. So b is equal to negative 3. So just go on and substitute here. So it becomes, where there is a, we put a 2 divided by 2x plus 1. Where there is a b, we put negative 3 divided by 2x plus 1 squared. Then where there is c, we put a 1 divided by 1 minus x. So that would be it broken into partial fractions.